everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Diane and I'm so happy you could be here with me today. So this month, although I'm just rambling like I always do. We did a Joah Box a week ago or 2 weeks ago because it was super duper late. Well, guess what? I got the March one. What's the reason to celebrate? They should have sent me the February one in actual February instead of February. You guys are going to realize I mispronounce a lot. And my kids have pointed it out that in the videos, there was a mascara last time. It was called Manicadar. And after I said it correctly the first time, I started calling it Madagascar. You guys know I do that. Just ignore me. Pretend I don't do that. I'm such an idiot. Anyway, yeah, I'm an idiot. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because I love you. Okay, so we're going to be doing Joah Box, which is a monthly subscription. I'm going to pull out my little card that I got here. So you got little cards for all the different subscriptions. Yeah. Oh, Joah Box is green. It's orange. See what I said about saying everything wrong? I'm rambling, I'm rumbling, but you know what? Hopefully you like that. If not, I'm messed up. Oh, I'm so messed up. That's okay, though. So, Joah Box is a Korean beauty monthly subscription box. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. 5 to 7. And it costs $33 or $45 for Canadians, which is quite expensive. But it is K-Beauty, and for myself, like I have ordered K-Beauty, and I know that it's quite expensive. So, you know, you kind of go with the flow and see if it's worth it or if it's not. And you get $60 to $100 worth of value. That's American. So in Canadian, it'd be like about $80 to $120. And I do have a link below if you would like to use that to check out Joah Box. Because this is probably my favorite as far as the quality of products go. It's not my favorite box, but it's the quality of the products. I haven't had any that were bad yet. So I'm waiting. It's going to happen someday. Maybe it'll happen today. So it's changed. It used to come in a box. Like, I'm grabbing a box from over here. It used to come in a box exactly like BoxyCharm. But now it comes like this. So I have no idea. So we're going to open it. We're going to look. What the hell is that? See, I haven't seen any spoilers because I'm not sure anybody else has even gotten any of their bags yet. Maybe I'm the first one uploading the video. Wouldn't that be hilarious? It's in a bag. Reminds me of those Crown Royal bags that kids would put marbles in. Hey, actually, this is good because this is more environmental than a big old box. Oh, everything's just stuck inside. Well, there you go. I'm trying to dig out. Oh, that's not a paper. That's something else. Ooh, I was digging out products. Look at that. I got my card this month. My voodoo card. 3 of clubs. March Joah Box. You know, that really upsets me that I didn't get it because I kind of like my voodoo cards. This one's less voodoo looking, though. And here's the pamphlet that goes with it. And it's like a little book, or well, a little pamphlet. And it gives you a description of everything that's in there, the price that it costs, and those prices are in American. And March Joah Box, be your own woman crush. That is kind of super cute. I am not going to lie. There you go, everybody. I am going to be my own woman crush. All the other girls I've crushed on, not as important. You know, I just made it sound like I'm gay. You know what I'm talking about, everybody. Well, that girl's really pretty. Well, you know, like Charlize Theron is a beautiful girl. I can say that. I'm confident in my sexuality. I can say that. You know what I'm saying. So, I'm off on a tangent, like we know I do. March Joah Box products. So we're going to put that on our little stand that we got here. You guys, I got a little stand and everything. I'm like getting good. Little voodoo card going over here. Let's start with I got to put the two things I pulled out and shake it up. Of course, I'm breaking everything inside, right? First thing I pull out is white truffle turnover peeling. That's a lot of white truffle turnover peeling. No idea what that means. No idea what a turnover peeling means. So let's open it. And this is 13 American. Okay, it's got a little sticker on it, and we all know I hate little stickers. So I bought a little dangerous piece of equipment. Scalpel. I'm going to scalpel this. Can't see. Oh, shit, that don't even go in there. That was easy. Put it back in the little safety thingy-jigger. Safety thingy-jigger. Back in my little thing. Oh. I'm so happy. There we go. There's that. Dual active formula of natural cellulose and apricot seed exfoliates dead skin cells and brightens dark spots without irritation. This is a very mild and refined peeling gel, formulated with ginseng, Korean typical healthy roots, and white truffle. Also, this peeling is cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, and use extract of real plant roots, etc. So there you go. It's cruelty-free and hypoallergenic. There's that. So I got me a facial peel. I heard they're good. Never did it before, though. Need to start trying. So the next thing we're going to pull out is, facial mask. That's on the back side, I think. Yes. Okay. The packaging on this, super cute. So eye mask night, Dr. Gladerm, $3. Let's bring some fun into the sheet mask game. The eye mask night is perfect for a sheet mask selfie. That's what we need to do. We need to do a sheet mask selfie. I think I should do that. This is a hydrogel type of sheet mask, providing hydration and cooling effect. After you use your toner or jelly mist, remember we got that jelly mist? I don't know what to do with it. Oh, from your February Joah Box. They're throwing that in there. There you go. You take this out, put it on. I wonder if it's shaped like stars. Calms my eye bags, and it brightens my skin. Time to party. Look, we can put this on and have a party. Let's do it. Let's have a party. Or something. There you go. We'll have a party. Okay, what is this? This is a sample. I thought they said everything full size. Okay, let's open this. This is like a sample. Maybe this is a bonus product or something. Who knows? Because this is definitely a sample. You guys, when you see it, you'll see what I mean. It's like a sample pack, right? There you go. Shirley Green 100 Face Oil. Calm Leaf is $4. Attention! This sample size product is curated for you to test and to let us know if you want to see the full size version in upcoming Joah boxes. That is kind of cool. So we get to try it, and if we like it or if enough people go in and say, yeah, we like this, then we'll get it in our boxes. Kind of cool that we get to kind of pick, right? I like that. I'm not upset about that. This is a 100% natural face oil, vegan friendly, formulated with 10 kinds of nature originated oils. Calm Leaf is a cruelty-free brand. See, got little herbs and stuff there. Wonder if it smells like herbs. Let's get busy and check that out. There's like, I don't want to pop it too much. There we go. It smells like herbs. Actually, it kind of got some nice scent. It's almost like they added something flowery to the herbs so that they don't smell so herby, but they smell herby. They smell like, you know, like not quite like grass, more like when you pick dandelions and they, you know what I mean. I just sniffed my fingers because that's just how weird I am. Okay, back to the front page. Oh, there's a few more things in here. What's this? This is calming cream. Yeah, lots of skincare. Azulene is an organic compound delivered from the steam distillation of chamomile. I do like chamomile. This cream is a calming, soothing, and balancing cream. There we go. With Azulene, a potent anti-inflammatory for fast relief of redness and irritation for a radiant complexion. Now, was that the right way? Nah. I don't really have irritation or irritated skin per se, but my son does. So there's that. This is $15. It's a lot of money. Okay, we got two things left. We got stick. Pony Effect Soul. Oh, there it is. Stay Put Eye Stick, Pony Effect, $16. I always do that. I try to open it from the top side when the bottom side's totally not sealed. Why the hell do they seal the top and not the bottom? Because it really makes no sense, right? It's like they're protecting it from people touching it, but you can just open the bottom. Kind of dumb. Okay, this is like a stick thing, like almost like that. You see it? There we go. Swipe, blend, and go. Effortlessly master natural to smoky eye makeup looks with Stay Put Eye Stick. Designed with a sliding gel formula, it glides on the skin like a dream, blends easily, and sets to be completely smudge-free. They come in matte and shimmer versions. Okay, so which one did I get? I don't know. Because we all know I can't see like a darn thing at all. And we all know I can't read Korean, so be dazzling. That's all it. Pony Effect Stay Put Eye Stick. No idea. Let's try it on and see. Oh, we definitely got shiny. Guess that would have been an easier way. That's super cool, right? That's actually really, really super pretty. But didn't I get something like that in my BoxyCharm? Which the video just went up yesterday. I think I did get something very similar. And last, but certainly not least, P.O.BOX. Millimage. Water Rising Tint. Millimage, $12. Okay. At Joahbox, we are using the Water Rising Tint for almost 2 months now, and we are loving it. The Water Rising formula provides gloss effect to the lips. There's that. The color pigments tip the lips, and the transparent gloss rises up to the surface for moist and clear texture. The lightweight water texture spreads on lips without stickiness, and rich water coating to gloss creates voluptuous pout. Pure and clear color lasts long. How does this open? Did I break it? No, that's plastic. That's plastic. I didn't break it. I didn't break it. Come on, that's weird, right? It's weird. How do I do this? Do I squeeze? Nope. This is plastic. Okay, it switches there. Ooh, what's happening? Nothing's happening. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's happening. I'm going to turn this off and I'm going to look it up because I can't seem to get this sucker to work. So be right back. Okay, we looked it up. I made a mess, a big mess, big mess, big mess. This is the most complicated. It's covering everything. Oh, God damn it. Ooh, it's staining. Yep. Staining. Okay. So you unscrew it like this, right? And then you pop that fucker up. Pop that sucker out. And there it is. Actually, why don't we put some on our lips? Get rid of the lipstick I already have. Let's dab our sleeve on our face. And let's put this sucker on since it freaking gave me. That is like the weirdest packaging. Pretty cool though. Okay, that actually is the... Smells good. That is the weirdest texture I have ever felt in my life. Like, I am not saying, I'm not lying. Got some weird flavor. It goes on like water. Like it felt like water. Like water. Felt like water. This is like some weird ass packaging though, right? Like, I don't know. I'm going to say that I'm not a big fan, although the packaging is cool. That was too complicated. I literally had to look up how to do that. Like, I shouldn't have to do that, you know. Remember I said there'd be something I wouldn't like eventually? Yeah, I found something. The color's okay. I don't mind. The packaging is cool, but it's so complicated. So even the product is good, but every time I pull it out, stuff flies because it doesn't come out like just gently. You actually have to tug. So this is, it's okay. The product is good, so it's did like that though. So Joah Box, that is it for this month of Joah Box. Thank goodness it came before the end of the month. I'm scrubbing on that, guys, with a wipey thing, and it's not coming off. It's not coming off. It's not coming off. That is some stay down shit, man. Let me tell you, that ain't going anywhere. Oh, that's taking forever. Oh, you put that sucker on your eyes, I am telling you, that is lasting all day, this pony effect stuff. Damn. That's some heavy dutiness. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And what else? I have no idea really what else to say because my brain is fumbled and I know I had something I wanted to tell you, but I don't remember what it is. I have no idea. And I'll remember exactly when I turn off the camera and my husband starts editing. I'll be like, hey, I forgot to say. And then I'll be all upset. But that's okay because that's how I am. Fumbly, I swear sometimes. So just, you know, just click off that part. I hope I don't offend anyone. I'm super sorry. I don't mean to. It just sort of, it's my Scottish background. It just, we swear a lot. A lot. So until next time, bye.